Well, Steve, this is the 38th annual Christmas parade here in the city of Hartford, and it just is such a wonderful way to bring all communities out. Your neighbors could be here, your friends could be here.
Yeah, the fact is that the city of Hartford does it early in the second week of the weekend of the month of November, and so it really gets everyone excited for the holidays early on, and we enjoy having everyone downtown. This is a time for families to come home and enjoy, again, this great holiday tradition in downtown Hartford.
Hey, thanks! Over there, over here! Get up, let's hear you cheer!
I think that people should know that this being the 38th year, there are key components to this parade and key people that are involved in it. Obviously, the chamber is the one organizing this, but you will always have our police department. You will always have the fire department. You'll have fire departments within our mutual aid box system. And then, of course, you have all the groups that are canvassing people to donate to the food pantry.
Yeah, there's so many things going on in the city wrapped around this event. Of course, we've got the pancake breakfast put on to the Hartford Lions first thing in the morning, starting at 7 o'clock at the Hartford Union High School cafeteria. Then the Hartford Women's Club has their big craft fair that they make a lot of money for. Again, there's just a ton of volunteers that are coming together to make a lot of money to give it all away.
And the big thing at the end of the parade is the surprise of Santa and Mrs. Claus, and that again has always been in every parade, of course.
Not only at the end of the parade, but also he comes in on the steam locomotive, which is very unique to Hartford. The steam locomotive is actually kept right here at the Wisconsin Auto Museum, and again, individuals can come to see it any day, but especially today. Again, bring the kids out here, the grandkids. A lot of people were in line earlier on today to see Santa Claus and get to talk with Santa Claus, get a candy cane, and tell Santa what they're looking for the holidays.